So today, another vlog with the JNT family there. So today we are going, I'm taking for Uzair and Tofika for some shooting lessons. So they're gonna go for some shooting lessons, doing some shooting. Yeah. How do you feel about going for shootings? We really have JNT customers and Uzair is also going. Maybe I'm gonna join them also. Just to have some fun with him. Got this.
Nice.
Ah!
Ja, zo weer. Nice, dat in de nine. Bullseye.
What?
Huh?
You?
Heel bedankt. Two beautiful bullseyes.
Ja.
Nee.
Dat is